It's DJ Chuck Chill Out, and I'm live. You understand?
Lipper, Chuck the beat kicker. Don't touch the dial, don't put on the literature. We ain't sore, we're hardest of the hardcore. I'm Centipede, don't wanna talk no more. You set the dial, you chill, and then you wild to Kiss FM on Friday from 9 to 12. We're raising hell, Chuck chilling well. You're sitting by your box, you're taping us on Maxell. What more to say? I'm Hellraiser Ricochet. Hey yo, Chuck, take it away.
Chuck, chill out on the mix.
2, 3, break.
Chuck, chill out on the mix.
2, 3, break.
Chuck, chill out on the mix.
2, 3, break.
Chuck, chill out on the mix.
We're from the boogie down, where suckers are bar, we do wild. And we're pulling your car, watch Chuck Chill Out is ripping. We do the lipping, he cuts the record hard without skipping a beat. You're standing in the crowd, you're saying howder. Deuces is death, now say it louder. Deuces is death, I'm black and I'm prouder. Not Malcolm X, Funk Master with the flex. You hear the rub, Chuck Chill Out's on next. You hear the cut, you know it's Chuck. You turn the volume up, 107 point what? 98.7 Kiss, the only place you can hear a beat like this one. You hear the words, the posse will yell them. Man, oh man, then Chuck's gonna tell them.
Yeah,
understand? Hey yo, Chuck, swallow, swallow. Everybody on beat, give me on the bitch, yo. Picking up where I left off, suckers gotta step off. You know what time it is. You're gonna get yours. Rhyme diluter, my brain is the computer. You need some help, boy, I'm your tutor. So chill with the ill juice before I get loose. Your goose is cooked, I'm hitting like a monsoon. And if you want to, I'll just call to the buzzer of cut. Chuck Chill Out, it's on you. We do the waxing, we do the taxing. I don't care where you're from, you ain't smacking. No lipstick, you can just kiss this. You're just an old man finished in this business. Hard hitter, not a rhyme bitter. A waste of time to try to get rid of. No imposter, don't wanna be a roster. I'm just a b-boy centerpiece partner. He's hard as I am, he don't give a damn. He says rhymes with the mic in his hand. And my DJ, I think he may cut a funky break that'll make a posse say we can't handle. They'll just mantle, we're too dope. And here's an example of how we get busy. When I'm on the right, you can bet Centipede beat. Yo, yo, yo. Word up. Chillin'. Yo, let's dismatch it. Madam Tragic. Molly Moo Moo. Yo, and all you suckers. Yo, Mark. Skinny boys in the house. Popping that garbage, man. We Chuck Chill Out to the effect. Chuck Chill Out to the effect. 9 to 12 on Fridays.
Hey, what's up, New York? This is Shocking Sean. I'm Super J, and he's the human Jukebox on the beat. And we are the Skinny Boys. Every Friday night, we rock with my man Chuck Chill Out on 98.7 Kiss. You understand what I'm saying?